Hey guys, here we are again. Hi guys, grocery shopping. Uh, $96.25. And again, I got the flyer. I went to the store and I made the mistake that I didn't realize that at the beginning of the month, people get their food stamps and social security checks and all that other stuff. So, but I needed to go and get some things. So I went. This was my day today. It is 3 p.m. I went grocery shopping for my daughter between stores, Family Dollar, because they do have a frozen section. So their stuff there is the same thing they sell in the supermarket, but it's cheaper. So she sent me a list what she want from there. Then I had to go to Walmart for her to pick some drinks, water, and also my dog food and some items for us. Drop the groceries at her house. Like I said, go to Walmart, shop a little bit. Then I had a bad experience at Walmart today because, um, you know, I suffer from anxiety, panic attacks. And as I'm looking in the clearance rack, there's some girls that got really close to me, And I'm like what happened with personal space? And I mean, I didn't say it, but I was thinking about it. And you guys know me, I don't hold back. And I kept everywhere that I kept moving, they keep like moving, but like really close to me. But then I'm noticing sounds on the floor. And the reason why I'm noticing sounds on the floor, when I look, there were hangers being dropped on the floor. Unfortunately, these young ladies were stealing. So I gave them a nasty look, like, like I'm saying to myself, really, you next to me, like I'm not part of this group. So I grabbed whatever I had and I left. I left to the opposite corner of the store. But I did say something. One of the managers in that Walmart is family member. So I did say something and they actually got the girl. There were 3 girls. One of them, unfortunately, was pregnant. So hopefully this experience today, they'll give them something to think about and destroy their life. So, I don't care. You're going to be saying here that I'm a snitch and this and that. No, you want to do something, don't try to implicate people in your mess. Anyways, let's continue with shopping. My husband needed distilled water. So, got one of those. He wanted Gatorade. Got one of those. I bought baby spinach. The ice cream 2 for $5. So I got a cookies and cream and Napoleon. My husband said, "Oh, get the vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. You're gonna like it." I said, "No, that's your favorite. It's his favorite, guys. It's just too much." And of course, repeated by, I got his ices. I got 3 of these. So I will put one of these in the, but I will put all these 3 in the big freezer. Also, I purchased salami, $5.49. The bacon was on sale for $2.99, so I purchased 2 bacon. The half a pound of cheese, $2.49. So yeah, and then honey ham. The honey ham is $6.49. And here's the other bacon. And also I picked this. They have baby back ribs on sale. So I find this one for $6.19. So I choose to get this one. It's plenty for me and my husband. Cut it in 4. So that's good. That was that. And then, where can I put this? I'm gonna leave it here. The last time I ate these cookies or crackers with coffee, It was over a year, 2 years ago. So I got these. These are so good, individual packets. They are delicious with butter and coffee. So that was $2.99. Of course, I got my cilantro. I got two of them, the 99 cents each. So I got two of those. I have a wheat bread. It was $1.99. And then I got cinnamon raisin bagels, $1.99. No, $2.29. They went up. And then I got the Portuguese roll, $2.29. I know these prices by heart, guys. Okay, that was from the grocery store. Okay, from the grocery store, we still keep going. They have the red pepper, 99 cents. The orange pepper, 99 cents. And yellow peppers, 99 cents. So I got two of each. They came out cheaper than buying a package of 3. They have a package at the grocery store, bring one red, one yellow, and one orange, and they are $6.99. So why would I want to pay $6.99 for 3 peppers when you can just look for them on the sale and you get more for less? You know what I mean? You get more for your buck. Also, I haven't had olives for a while. I like to munch on this, and I like to put them on my rice. This was $4.99. They have the little Vienna sausages on sale. They usually $1.29, or sometimes the big sale that they put them is maybe $1. But this time they have them on sale for 79 cents. So I got 4 to make rice with Vienna sausages, and it is so good. So I got that. I need a mustard, 99 cents. And then they have the Price Right real mayonnaise for $2.99. And then they have the bowl basket mayonnaise. No, this one was $2.49. And then they had the other one, the bowl basket, the store brand, for $2.99. So of course, look around, shop really good, save a couple of pennies, everything adds up. Okay. And then we needed some salad dressing. I got my regular salad dressing. They didn't have the light one, so I got the regular one. So $1.99, and the Italian dressing $1.99. Was it $1.99? No, they were on sale for $1.09. Yes, and then they have the Louisiana hot sauce, Steve and Ed original for $1.29. So I got this. And then I needed some Sofrito. I got this. This was $2.99. No, $3.49. Yeah, $3.49. The base one is $6.99. And then I needed some sweeteners, so I got it $2.99. All right, that was, oh, and of course I got me some English muffins, $1.99. All right, that was all from the grocery store. And then from my curbside pickup at Walmart, I needed to pick this up for my Diamond. You know, a lot of you guys know that Diamond is a senior dog, and overnight she gets up and she goes in the bathroom and she does her wee-wee. And sometimes she does her number 2 because it's overnight. So I always lay one of these at nighttime in the bathroom just in case she gotta go. So that's that for her. And of course, I got the bags of dog food, soft. I mix this. I smell it for the simple fact that one time they gave me one, it was open and the stench was horrible, so I took it back. So I mix this half of one of these, half in her food and half in his food in the morning. So we need that. That was for the curbside pickup. And then I found on clearance, I always check the clearance route when I go to Walmart. I found myself a t-shirt. So it was on clearance for $3, fresh and juicy. So it says Florida, but it's okay. I love the design. I love that it looks like it's vintage. So I got that. $3. You can beat it. You know, they usually have them for $1, but I just picked it and keep it moving after the mess that happened at that store. And of course, I spent on Walmart. Oh, why is it? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, because what I went to pick up at Walmart for my daughter was a Canada Dry ginger ale, and I picked myself some spices. That was $14. And then I spent $15. So here are my receipts for that. And Walmart also have a rack of spices for $4. So I picked powdered onion, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Okay. And of course, I ran out of candles, so I picked these 2 candles, one for me, one for my husband. I picked the pink apple peony. It smells so good. And white rose and peach. Of course, these are $3.96 each. I'm starting to see less and less of these candles at Walmart. I wonder if they are going to get away with it. I hope not. Because the other candles like this size, $10. I'm not paying no $10 for a candle. And of course, I picked Febreze for my living room, the curtains, the bathroom, the shower curtain. I sprayed all of that. And guys, that is my grocery haul and haul. Well, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, friends.